Hey everybody, my name is Marcel and I'm with Tyger Auto, and today we're going to go ahead and show you guys how to install this Jeep bumper on this JL model that we have behind us here. Now before we get started, I need to remind you guys that this is a very heavy duty bumper built for towing capabilities, and it weighs close to 100 pounds. So before we get started, we're going to need to make sure that we have somebody to assist us during the installation. With that said, let's get started.